Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, I'm having a wonderful morning. I have just got my little JTV package. You know what that is? I got these earrings. These studs. Y'all, they're supposed to be 16 times shinier than a diamond. I forgot their name. Their name is so long I don't know the name. But they're so sparkly. I fell in love with them. So this is my new little studs. They're not real, but I like them. And then also I got this ring. And I think it's real pretty. It's an actual emerald, and these are black spinels. And I got it for Easy Pay, $9.99 for Easy Pays. Why did I do that? Why did I do Easy Pays for a $45 ring? Because I fell for it. Y'all, I just fell for it. You know, there's Home Shopping Club, there's QVC. I always fall for these. But some of my best purchases I've gotten from them. Do I have peanuts on my face? Hold on. Because I just ate a bunch of peanuts. And my bangs are too long. Y'all, I need an appointment so bad. What do you think of these earrings? Am I just so all over the place? I think they're great. I really do. And then I also got this chain right here for my cross. Remember right after I got that Batuta chain? It was just too short and too close to the other chain. So I got this one. It's a little bit longer. It's not real gold. So I don't know how long it's going to last. Oh, you may not be able to see. I don't know how long it's going to last because it's plated or something. But anyway, it was the right length. It came with a little flip-flop on it, which is very cute. But I needed something for my cross. So, because my husband got me this chain for the cross, but I didn't want anything on this chain because it's got little hearts. And I was afraid it's so sparkly and unusual link. I was really afraid that the cross hanging on it might actually be a problem. So, that's my jewelry haul. JTV. You know what it was? I was at my dad's house, staying with him, and he wasn't having a good night. So I couldn't sleep, and he couldn't sleep. And, but I made him go to bed. And then I stayed up trying to make sure he didn't get back up. Because what happens is if he takes his medication and then he gets back up, y'all, it's not good for him. He shouldn't do that. So, he shouldn't be walking around when he's had his meds. So I'm trying to train him, teach him that no, Daddy, no, you can't do that. So I made sure I stayed up. And sure enough, he came down the hall with this little walker. I said, Daddy, what you doing up? He goes, you're not my mother. I said, I know, I'm your daughter. He started laughing. He goes, I guess you're going to stay up till I go to bed. I said, I am, Daddy. So he turned around and went back to bed. So I just stayed up watching JTV, y'all. But anyway, so another thing that I did, I'm just showing y'all my hauls. This is hauls. I do like JTV, but I think you can get in big trouble. Just like Home Shopping Club. I think it was either them or QVC. I cannot remember now. But I got the best pair of shoes in my life. So much so. They were so comfortable. And yet they had a heel. It was a wedge heel, but it was cute. Kind of like a gladiator sandal. Open-toe, peep-toe sandal. Made of suede. Y'all, I can wear them all year. I got black. And I liked them so much. I went ahead and also got, it wasn't a nude. It was like almost had a blush pink undertone, which I didn't think I would like. But I have worn it a lot. And then I liked them so much, I got back online and ordered me the sand color and another pair of the black because I wear them that much. And that was one night when I was all night long waiting to sing the next day at the conference. I sing it once a year. But anyway, so then, not then, this is just something else. This wasn't all on the same night. It might as well have been. If y'all are like, Beth, really? It's like, it doesn't matter if it was all that night or not. It's still just Beth crazy moments. But I bought this purse. I've always wanted a Chloe. I saw this one, so it was much, much cheaper because it's so small. And I just got it in the mail, and I have not opened it. So, here goes. It's very small, but it was affordable to have a Chloe. It says Chloe on the bag, as you can see. So this is my Chloe unboxing and other haul unboxings, is what we'll call this video. It's kind of a canvas bag, so it's nothing fancy. And here it is. Let's just pull it out. Okay, it looks like a little bullet. That's very cute. I like that. It's got a little handle, so you can just grab it. How long is this chain, though? Oh, it's long. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not, though, so I want to see. So, easily crossbody, as you can see. Well, you can't. But it's a good crossbody. Even though I rarely wear something crossbody because my belly, it just sticks out. So I'll just wear it over my shoulder like that. It'll just be a shoulder bag for me, if I keep it. Here's going to be the key. Can this even fit a cell phone? Because if it can't even fit my cell phone, forget it. Hold on. We'll put it on the back. So it's got, let me just show you the bag first. It's got the C for Chloe. It's got this beautiful ornate chain. So, I mean, if I'd done this in black, it could have been an evening bag. Actually, black is not the only color for an evening bag. Can I tell you that's already chinking up? And it won't unchink. Also, over here, this is already slipping. Let's see if that's just a shitting up thing. Let's get this back. See if it'll stay put. And I'm talking about this right here. That one had moved also. I wonder if it's going to keep doing that. It still won't unchink. Y'all, if that doesn't unchink, I mean, we're definitely not going to keep it. Because, I mean, who wants a chinked up chain? And if it chinks up that easy, do you really want to keep it, is the question you need to ask yourself. Y'all, I can't get it to undo. It won't undo. 2 strikes. A little too small. And a chink chain. Okay, so it's got a pocket on the back. It's suede on the inside. So let's just see. Will my cell phone fit? Yes, it does fit. So that will be where my cell phone would go. It only just fits that. That's all. See? It literally is right there at the top. But, I mean, this is a great bag if you're going to go shopping with the girls and you don't want to carry a heavy bag. You just want to carry your car keys. You want to carry, you know, whatever your emergency makeup is. And it can be different for different people. Usually it's lipstick for me. It's also eyeliner. Some people it's like blotting things. Okay, so here's the little Chloe thing. And then let's take this out. Oh, that's cute. I'm not sure what this is for, but it's got a little snap like that. I guess your car keys. You could put your car key on that. And also there's like a little baby wallet built into this side so you can put your credit card. I do like this. I do like that it's simple. And there's plenty of room to put a lipstick. You got obviously for your car key. I'm trying to think what else I would put in here that was absolutely essential. Tissues, a mask, a pair of gloves, but I'll always have that in a little wad in the corner of every purse now because of COVID-19 if I'm going somewhere. And of course, where are you going? Anyway, and probably my Chanel compact because it's a mirror and it has blush. And I would probably drop my Chanel lipstick in there and then maybe my liner. And that's all I would put in here. It is very cute. It is one way to have a Chloe. Okay, so if you take this off the C, the Chloe's right there. It is a good smelling leather. And this is, okay, it's just a leather, it's not a tassel, it's just the two leather pull. And I guess that's the same. Yeah. So, what are these zippers like? They're a little tough, but it's new. Whoop. Okay, well, that accidentally came off, so I'll just show you what that looks like. I kind of think I'm going to keep it, y'all. It is small, but I like it. This is definitely a run up somewhere, like run to the grocery store. Again, if you are going shopping with girlfriends, I don't like to take my big bag because it's too heavy. And the thing I like about this is this the leather part's longer for your shoulder, and it's it's not slippery because it's got stitching. It's not going to slide off all the time. And if I needed to, it's long enough that I could make it a, what am I trying to say? A crossbody. So I would say I'd keep this. I like it. And that'll be my Chloe bag. I never had a Chloe. So that's going to be my Chloe. Alright, y'all. So, I've got my Chloe. I got my new earrings that are sparkledy. More than diamonds. That's what the ad said. And this little ring. You know, if that isn't emerald, it is the worst included emerald I've ever seen. And they'll just call it a mystery emerald or something. It's so funny what they're starting to call these stones that are not really good stones, but I still like it. I like it. Almost looks like jade. It's so included, but a real emerald is a lot of money, y'all. And I got this mainly because I could get it on and off this little messed up finger, which I need to call today, y'all, and see about getting it operated on. And I'm so dreading it, y'all. Just pray for me. I'm such a big baby. I am truly dreading it. So anyway, so that's all that I have today. How much time do we have left? Let me just see. I just washed my hair, so I think it looks pretty good. Just at the right time. So, do y'all ever feel like people comment on your hair when you just washed it and you say, well, I just washed it, which implies, but I never do any other time. Well, that is the truth. I don't wash it every single day because, for one thing, this filler stuff is expensive. The Madison Reed. And, as a matter of fact, I need to order some of that today. And I need to order my Chanel lipstick. So I just need to order some more stuff. I need to watch my money. That's what I need to do. Okay. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this and that you've enjoyed the Chloe purse. Give me your comments below. What do you think of it? And I will talk to you again soon. Love you guys. Bye.